If you're in the market for a reliable camping sleeping bag, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 20 of the best camping sleeping bags available right now, covering everything from budget-friendly options to premium picks that'll keep you warm in extreme conditions. Let's dive right in. First up, the Malo-Me sleeping bags. This rectangular bag is designed for warm weather camping with excellent comfort from 50 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The standout feature here is the waterproof Hex-Tech fabric, keeping you dry in damp conditions or morning dew. The durable polyester outer material holds up well against rough use. With a 12-inch maximum height recommendation, it offers adequate loft for its temperature range. This is a solid choice for spring and summer campers who want reliable water protection without breaking the bank. Next, the Jauya sleeping bags. Rated for 50 to 68 degrees, this rectangular option features a 100% polyester shell, polypongee lining, and hollow fiber filling that keeps weight down to just 3 pounds. The anti-snag two-way zipper is a practical touch. No more frustrating zipper jams at bedtime. It accommodates users up to 180 centimeters tall. If you're a mild weather camper who values lightweight portability and smooth functionality, this bag delivers solid performance at an accessible price point. Number 3. Coleman Brazos sleeping bag. Number 3 is the Coleman Brazos sleeping bag, a trusted name in outdoor gear. This rectangular polyester bag is rated for 20 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for fall camping and cooler conditions. Despite its cold weather capability, it's marketed as lightweight, though it does weigh 5 pounds. Coleman's reputation for durability and reliability shines through here. If you're planning autumn adventures or camping in chillier climates and want a dependable bag from a well-established brand, the Brazos is worth serious consideration. Number 4. Sportneer sleeping bag. The Sportneer sleeping bag offers versatility with a temperature rating of 32 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. This rectangular bag combines cotton and polyester materials with polyester fill, creating a comfortable blend that balances warmth and breathability. The cotton component adds a soft, natural feel against your skin, something many campers appreciate. It's a versatile 3-season option that handles everything from cool spring nights to moderate summer weather. Great choice for campers who want comfort and flexibility across multiple seasons. Number 5. Owaski's camping sleeping bag. Rounding out our first 5, the Owaski's camping sleeping bag. This rectangular bag features 210T nylon outer cover, tear-proof and waterproof for serious durability. Rated for 50 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, it includes an anti-snag two-way zipper and polyester lining with polyester fill. The nylon construction makes this tougher than standard polyester bags, ideal for rugged camping conditions. If you need a reliable, weather-resistant bag that can handle rough terrain and unpredictable conditions without tearing, the Owaski's is an excellent protective option. Moving on to number 6, the Hyzenice sleeping bag. This rectangular bag features a soft flannel material with anti-tearing and waterproof properties. The polyester outer shell protects a cotton fill material, giving you that cozy, natural insulation feel. At 7 pounds, it's on the heavier side, so this is better suited for car camping rather than backpacking. The flannel lining provides exceptional comfort, almost like sleeping in your bed at home. If weight isn't a concern and you prioritize comfort and warmth for family camping trips, this bag delivers premium coziness. Number 7 is the Solout sleeping bag in an envelope shape. With a wide temperature rating of 32 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, this is marketed as an all-seasons bag. The waterproof polyester construction weighs just 4 pounds, making it reasonably portable. The envelope design offers a more tapered fit compared to rectangular bags, improving heat retention while still providing decent room. At 4 pounds, it strikes a nice balance between packability and comfort, perfect for year-round campers who want one versatile bag that adapts to changing seasons. Number 8. Teton Sport Sleeping Bag.
The Teton Sport sleeping bag is where things get serious. Rated for -25 degrees Fahrenheit. This is built for extreme cold weather camping. The taffeta material with nylon outer and cotton fabric type creates multiple insulation layers with an impressive thermal resistance rating of 25. Two-way anti-snag zippers ensure smooth operation even in freezing conditions. It accommodates users up to 76 inches tall. If you're winter camping, mountaineering, or heading into genuinely cold environments, this bag provides the serious protection you need to stay safe and warm. Number 9 introduces our first double sleeping bag, the Mareza. This rectangular bag measures 90.6 by 61 inches, providing ample space for 2 people or luxurious room for 1. Rated for 28 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, it uses polyester taffeta with synthetic insulation. The double design is perfect for couples who want to camp together or families with young children. It can also separate into 2 individual bags for versatility. If you value shared warmth and comfort or want the flexibility of converting one bag into 2, this is an excellent choice. Rounding out part 2, the Red Camp sleeping bag in envelope shape. This waterproof bag features flannel material with cotton fill and a polyester outer layer. At 95 by 35 inches, it's generously sized for taller campers or those who like extra length. The zipper closure is straightforward and reliable. The flannel and cotton combination creates a soft, comfortable sleeping experience with good moisture management. If you're a taller camper who needs extra room and appreciates the natural feel of cotton and flannel, Red Camp offers both comfort and practical dimensions. Number 11. Cognac Camping Sleeping Bag. Starting part 3 with the Cognac Camping Sleeping Bag. This semi-rectangular shape offers a nice middle ground between spacious rectangular bags and heat-efficient mummy styles. Rated for 5 to 0 degrees Celsius, it's designed for cooler weather camping. The cotton polyester blend with polyester fill weighs 4.2 pounds, reasonable for its temperature range. The semi-rectangular cut reduces dead space for better warmth retention while still allowing movement. Ideal for shoulder season campers who want efficient warmth without the restrictive feel of a full mummy bag. Number 12. The Optimum Sleeping Bags. Another semi-rectangular option rated for 6 to 20 degrees Celsius. This bag combines nylon and polyester materials with a polyester outer, offering windproof protection, a valuable feature for exposed campsites. Measuring 83 by 30 inches, it provides adequate room without excess bulk. The windproof construction prevents cold drafts from penetrating, maintaining your body heat more effectively. Perfect for campers who frequent windy locations or exposed ridgelines where wind chill can dramatically affect comfort levels. Number 13. Farland Sleeping Bags. The Farland sleeping bags bring impressive versatility. This envelope-shaped bag is rated for 41 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit and packs multiple features: compressible, lightweight, portable, tear-proof, and windproof. The polyester construction with taffeta outer measures 87 by 29.5 inches. The compressibility makes it excellent for backpackers with limited space, while the tear-proof material ensures durability on rugged trails. If you're an active camper who needs a bag that packs small, travels light, and withstands challenging conditions, Farland delivers serious functionality in a compact package. Number 14 is the Elevon Sleeping Bag. Rated for 41 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, this rectangular bag weighs just 3 pounds, impressively light. It features cotton and polyester materials with cotton fill, plus both drawstring and zipper closures for adjustable ventilation. The dual closure system lets you customize airflow based on conditions. Like Farland, it's compressible, lightweight, portable, and windproof. The cotton fill provides natural breathability, excellent for minimalist campers who want lightweight comfort and flexible temperature control without sacrificing the roominess of a rectangular design. Number 15. Shinhai 0 Degree Sleeping Bag. Finishing part 3, the Shinhai 0 Degree Sleeping Bag. This rectangular bag features flannel material with cotton fill and a flannel cotton lining. The The 210T shell is durable, breathable, and easy to clean. Here's what sets it apart. Detailed temperature ratings. Comfort at 30 degrees Fahrenheit, limit at 14 degrees Fahrenheit, and danger zone at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This 3-tier rating system helps you understand exactly when this bag performs optimally versus when it becomes unsafe. If you're a cold weather camper who appreciates precise specifications and the luxurious feel of flannel, Shinhai provides both technical clarity and cozy comfort. Number 16. Agemore Double Sleeping Bag. Starting our final segment with the Agemore Double Sleeping Bag. This rectangular bag measures a generous 87 by 60 inches, rated for 6 to 15 degrees Celsius. The cotton flannel material is tear-proof and weighs 7 pounds. That's hefty, but you're getting double-sized comfort here. The flannel provides exceptional softness for couples or families camping together. The tear-proof construction means it can handle active use without damage. If you're car camping with a partner and want spacious, durable comfort without worrying about weight, Agemore delivers premium double bag performance. Number 17. The King Camp Double Sleeping Bag. Rated for 1 to 5 degrees Celsius, this handles cooler temperatures than most double bags. It features flannel and synthetic materials with polyester fill, specifically 300 grams per square meter of hollow fiber filling for excellent insulation. The 100% cotton flannel lining feels luxurious against skin. Plus, it's available in 4 colors for style-conscious campers. If you want a cold weather double bag with quality insulation and customization options, King Camp combines performance with personal preference. Number 18. EcoPro Sleeping Bag. The EcoPro Sleeping Bag is our ultralight champion. This envelope-shaped bag weighs just 1.45 pounds, the lightest on our list. It combines nylon and polyester materials with polyester fill, measuring 83 by 30 inches with zipper closure. At under 1.5 pounds, this is specifically designed for backpackers and minimalist campers where every ounce matters. While it won't provide extreme cold protection, it's perfect for summer backpacking trips where weight reduction is critical. If you're counting grams and need a barely there sleeping solution, EcoPro is your answer. Number 19 is the Venture Forth Sleeping Bag. This envelope-shaped bag rates for 30 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit with water-resistant polyester and hollow fiber filling. It's compressible, lightweight, portable, water-resistant, and windproof, basically a feature-packed workhorse. At 4.4 pounds, it balances weight with functionality. The water-resistant coating protects against moisture without full waterproofing bulk. If you need a reliable 3-season bag that handles varied conditions, resists the elements, and packs down efficiently for diverse camping adventures, Venture Forth is a dependable all-rounder. Number 20. Friendriver Camping Sleeping Bag. Our final sleeping bag is the Friendriver Camping Sleeping Bag. This rectangular bag is rated for 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, featuring microfiber material with polyester fill. It measures 86.6 by 31.5 inches. Here's the kicker. It comes with a 3-year warranty, showing the manufacturer's confidence in durability. The microfiber provides a smooth, comfortable feel with good moisture-wicking properties. If you want peace of mind with your purchase and appreciate the soft touch of microfiber, Friendriver backs up quality with warranty protection. And there you have it, 20 excellent camping sleeping bags, each with unique strengths for different camping styles and conditions. I've added Amazon links for all these sleeping bags in the description below, so you can check out more details, read customer reviews, and compare current pricing before making your decision. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews. Happy camping and stay warm out there!